This Easy Chef Always Nonstick Frying Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It measures 12 inches. This size is perfect for cooking meals for yourself or a small family. The non-stick granite red coating is a standout feature. Food slides off easily. Cleaning becomes a breeze. You won't spend ages scrubbing stuck on food. This pan makes cooking simpler and faster. It truly lives up to its name. Easy Chef Always Nonstick Frying Pan. The pan feels sturdy and well made in your hand. Its exterior has a nice look. The red granite coating adds a pop of color to your stovetop. It's also PFOA-free. This means you can cook your favorite eggs or omelets without worrying about harmful chemicals. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook perfectly. There are no hot spots. This Easy Chef Always Nonstick Frying Pan is also induction compatible. This makes it versatile for different types of stovetops. If you are viewing cookware trends, this pan is worth considering. It combines practicality with a touch of style. The non-stick surface is like a magic carpet for your food. It prevents sticking and makes flipping easy. Even beginners will find it simple to use. No complicated instructions are needed. Just place it on the stove and start cooking. This pan is a reliable tool for everyday cooking. It's a kitchen workhorse that simplifies meal preparation. Pros: non-stick, granite coating, healthy cooking, less oil needed, PFOA-free, induction ready. Heats quickly, heats evenly, easy to clean, durable build. Cons: coating may degrade, can scratch easily, not for high heat, handle might loosen, uneven. Heating possible, shorter lifespan likely, not always truly non-stick, cleaning can still be needed. Potential for hot spots, may not be oven safe, induction base issues, durability concerns. Features: Easy Chef brand, non-stick surface, frying pan type 12-inch size, granite red coat, good for eggs, omelet friendly, healthy cooking, stone material, chef's pan style. This Easy Chef brand 12-inch frying pan has a non-stick surface with a red granite coating, making it great for cooking eggs and omelets without them sticking. It's designed in a chef's pan style and made from stone material for healthy cooking. And it's also PFOA-free and safe to use on induction stovetops. This pan is made to be easy to use and clean. The Easy Chef Nonstick Frying Pan is a 12-inch skillet with a red granite non-stick coating, designed for healthy cooking with less oil. It's PFOA-free and works on all stovetops, including induction, heating quickly and evenly for easy cooking and cleaning. However, the coating might not last forever, could scratch, and isn't meant for high heat, which could lead to uneven heating or a shorter lifespan. And it may not always be completely non-stick.